just got my hair from K Hair. I have natural straight in double drawn and natural straight in super double drawn. I also have some bone straight hair here, frontal 13x4, and some bone straight bundles. Jenny assisted me throughout my whole transaction. I'm very happy with my hair. The texture is nice. The frontal is nice too. The natural straight hair is really nice. Yeah, thank you very much, K Hair, for giving me good quality. Nice closures, nice bundles. Yeah, thank you, K Hair. Thank you, Jenny. Bye.